This roti gets its soft pink color naturally without using any food color. The marble pattern comes from fresh beetroot blended into the dough. Let's make this. Boil fresh beetroot until soft, then blend it into a smooth, naturally pink puree. Add whole wheat flour, a pinch of salt, and knead into a soft, vibrant dough. Knead whole wheat flour with water and salt to make a soft white dough. This will create contrast and bring out the marble effect. For the stuffing, mix grated paneer with onions, ginger, spices and fresh coriander. Keep the stuffing dry so that the rotis rolls perfectly. Now for the marble dough, take equal portions of pink and white dough, roll them lightly, twist together and gently shape into a ball. Don't overmix. This keeps the marble swirls visible. Flatten the marble dough, place the paneer filling in the center and seal. Roll the stuffed dough gently into a circle. Let the pink and white swirls stay natural. Apply no pressure. Cook the roti on a hot tawa until golden spots appear. Flip, apply ghee and roast until soft and perfectly cooked. Serve hot with mint chutney or yogurt. Soft, colorful and packed with flavor, marble beetroot rotis are ready.